in a situation where you can build anything, what's stopping you from building everything, right? And I've had my own fair share. I've learned the hard way, of ways that you can, which is why I started with documentation. You can have an idea in your head and you write a prompt, and it takes your idea and then it just spreads it into 20 different things, and you're like, oh wow, okay, wow, oh wow, I didn't think of, oh wow, okay, and then you start entering each one and you just get carried away. You have built what people would call a monolith. Like, it's just a big Frankenstein. Doesn't really do anything, but it does everything. So I think I want to address his question from that standpoint. What do you do when you can build anything? How do you stop yourself from building everything? Because you actually don't need everything. You just need to focus. So for me, what I recommend would be, and again, this requires you to have some product knowledge. What I recommend would be knowing how to prioritize your focus, understand what pain points you are trying to address, who you are solving them for. If it's yourself, fantastic, you know yourself, but make sure that you are very, very explicit about the core needs, the core pain points, right? The core goals that you're trying to solve for, so that your focus can be narrowed, and then every other thing is like, oh, nice to have. You saw when I was talking about the adding timeline, adding pictures, adding this one, they are nice, but right now what is core, what is critical, is just being able to capture information, at least on a basic level. And then if you are fast enough, if you know how to iterate, right, and I would break down iteration in this phase to mean, if you are building for people, if you know how to quickly build something, not perfect but something, and then show it to people and get feedback, or even better, get all right, get money. Yeah, let someone say, oh, ask someone, will you pay for this? They say yes. Oh yeah, pay. Once you've collected the even if it's 1.5, and this 1.5 you'll be getting from me every month, and they're like, yeah, no problem, I'll use it. My brother, you're onto something. So it shows you that you're solving a problem enough that people are willing to part ways with their money. So if you can iterate fast, if the person says no, ask 20 other people, they say no, or they say, they're like, or they say yes, and they're like, will you pay for it? And they're like, I don't know, not really. You've gotten your answer. Move on to the next thing. You have tools. You have what you can use to quickly, the same way you're able to quickly build and get the validation you needed. You can quickly make the tweaks and get more validation. So that's the angle I'll approach this from.